Isaiah here with
Jasmine
And Gio.
and today we are gonna do
a Nerf war.
No.
let's do it. And quick sellout moment. I'll just say it first. Hit that subscribe button down below.
Hit the notification bell down below.
And don't forget to like this video.
Hope you guys enjoy.
Sorry.
Come on.
Okay. It's okay.
Let's do it.
Okay. So, wait, we're shooting each other? I have megas. I'm gonna win.
Yeah, but you have a sniper.
Yeah, I'm a sniper, so I'm gonna win.
Ready?
Aim for the face. Oh, guys, if you aim for the face, then you will be out.
You're out of the game. Are you
Can
guys
we
ready?
practice shooting this first?
Yeah, sure.
But
In practice time.
Okay, wait, no. They're not gonna see, so I'll be the cameraman for now.
No, don't talk.
No, you're in this.
Okay.
Let's do this.
But they're not gonna see what we're shooting at.
Okay.
By the way, we're shooting posters.
Don't tell them.
Ah, great.
Did it restart?
I'll edit that out.